Kayla. What you doing, pretty? It's Thanksgiving. What you doing?
I'm looking away.
You looking away? Why are you doing that? Show me your pretty dress with your kitty on it.
She's in my dress.
Yeah, you look pretty. You just got up from your nap and I just dressed you. You got your little pantyhose on.
Let's go.
It's 5 o'clock. It's getting dark.
Swing.
What's that?
Let's go swing.
Okay, let's go swing.
Okay.
Come on.
It's nice outside.
Yeah, it's not bad. 60 degrees.
Yeah, it's not
It was like
cold.
70 today, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost.
Okay, let's go swing.
Okay. This one.
Okay. Let's go. You coming?
Over here.
I'm coming, honey. I'm waiting for you.
Yeah, you're waiting.
Yep.
Okay.
Let's go.
That's nice.
Yep.
I'm walking. I can watch the chair.
Yeah, watch the chair.
It's this one.
We're going to have turkey in like an hour. Oh, I haven't ate today.
Yeah.
I had to work last night. Remember, I saw you this morning and then I had to go to sleep.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
It's really. I sang it.
You ready?
Yeah. Mm. Mm.